Ever wondered what it would feel like to become your own bank? I'm talking about taking control of your money, saving, lending, borrowing. All on your terms, not the bank's. Sounds a bit wild, right? But trust me, it's more doable than you think. Let's break down the most popular ways people are making this happen. First up, the infinite banking concept, or IBC for short. Here's how it works. You buy a whole life insurance policy from a mutual company. Over time, it builds cash value. You can borrow against that cash value, like a bank, but you're borrowing from yourself and paying yourself back with interest. The best part? Your money keeps growing while you're using it. Heads up, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes discipline and patience. Bail early and you could lose out. Stick with it and you get privacy, control, and steady growth. Next, self-directed retirement accounts, SDIRAs or solo, 401 Ks. You're in the driver's seat. Invest in real estate, private businesses, crypto, not just stocks and bonds. Lend from your retirement account to others or to your own business. Real estate investing. Classic move. Own a rental. You generate cash flow. Build equity and borrow against it to reinvest. Or act as the lender, seller financing private mortgages. You're not just a landlord, you're a bank. Crypto gives this a new meaning. Hold your private keys. Earn yield through staking lending on decentralized platforms. Risks, market swings, scams, tech bugs. Private lending, you set the rules. Lend to individuals, lend to businesses, collect interest. Common in real estate, hard money lending, but require airtight contracts and risk assessment. So what do you need? Save aggressively. Control your money. Cut unnecessary middlemen. Leverage safely. Borrow against assets, not just income. Understand the tax and legal side. Get a solid CPA, maybe an insurance pro. Build your network. Don't use money you can't afford to lose. This isn't for quick cash. It's long-term wealth and freedom. Want to start simple? Look into infinite banking. Open a high-yield savings account for emergencies. Only jump into real estate or crypto once you understand the risks. Becoming your own bank is about controlling your financial future. So are you ready to make your money work for you?